Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. Our presentation will be about motivation. Today, we're going to be talking about different techniques and tips to give you so you can apply to your daily life. So today, I'm going to start out with introductions. My name is Brandon Juarez. I am a transfer Toro peer coach here at the University Advising Center. I'm a senior here at Dominguez Hills, and I support the College of Business Administration and Public Policy. And I'll pass it over to Jen.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Jennifer Lopez. I'm a psych major, and I'm a transfer peer coach at the University Advisement Center, and I support the CNBF. For today's presentation, we'll be going over topics as how do you stay motivated, the types of motivation, why do we lose motivation, and tips on how to stay motivated.
So I want to ask you, how do you stay motivated? And this is when we usually ask the audience, but since this is a recording, Jen, I want to ask you, how do you just stay motivated?
For me, ways I stay motivated is talking to my friends, getting that support system. It gives me that extra push that I need. And just walking my dog gets me, helps me stay motivated.
Yeah, getting outside, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
What about you?
For me, my family helped me stay motivated as well. I want to make my parents proud, that definitely gives me drive. And also my friends as well. And also, I also like to go out in nature. It kind of helps me kind of reset and center myself, and helps me stay motivated as well.
So the types of motivation, there's the intrinsic motivation. So motivation that comes from receiving an outside reward. So an example would be joining a competition to receive a trophy or a medal. Other examples will include, helping people for praise or going to work for money. And the next one would be the intrinsic motivation. So motivation that comes from receiving an internal reward. Example would be going to school because you want to learn. Other examples will include reading a book for fun and painting a picture as a hobby.
Yeah. So I want to talk about why we lose motivation. So doing tasks that are repetitive and boring, fear of failure that kind of touches on imposter syndrome. You feel like you're not good enough or you don't belong. Setting unrealistic goals. Sometimes the goal is too big and you don't achieve it, so you get unmotivated because you feel like you can't achieve the goals. Being impatient, losing your purpose, feeling overwhelmed. I know sometimes I feel overwhelmed because I put too much on my plate, so I feel like what's the point, depression, having a fixed mindset, an unhealthy lifestyle. I know sometimes for myself, I kind of eat a bunch of junk food and fast food and things like that, and I feel like I'm just not healthy as I can be, so I'm not as motivated as I want to. Being in a toxic environment and negative self-talk.
Tips on how to stay motivated. So change of location. It's better to take a break before making any big decisions, to help you clear your mind just before making that whatever decision, or, just taking like a simple nap would be like a good one as well. And do something to help you relax and let yourself rest and gather your strength. For meditation, this practice can help when you're feeling down or stressed. It can also cleanse your mind and give you a new perspective, and can also help you let go of negative self-talk and self-doubt. For me, I sometimes do like the breathing techniques. I know it helps me kind of just relax at the same time, and then after, it helps me stay motivated. And so setting new and smaller goals, so you don't have to achieve everything at once, taking everything step by step, small steps, and staying patient and go at your own pace. So set short shorter milestones and break big tasks into small, achievable micro steps.
Some more tips on staying motivated. One is watching a motivational video. This is one of the easiest ways to get motivated, I think. There's tons of content on YouTube. You can just type in, motivation, and there'll be tons of videos that'll pop up. I know I've used this before. I've watched a video before working out or something, and it'll help me just get the best workout I can. Another thing will be reading a book on motivation, and then something that will help you really get going. Another thing is to make a gratitude list. So get a pen and paper, write down what makes you happy, and doing this will help you change your perspective and improve your attitude and uplift your state of mind. And then lastly, having a support system. Like we said earlier, having friends and family helps us stay motivated. Having a peer coach can help you stay motivated. I know we're both peer coaches, and we want to motivate our students to, be the best they can be, or even a professor that can help you. And yeah, all these people here can help encourage you to stay motivated.
So I'll be asking the question, what are you grateful for? So Brandon, what are you grateful for?
Again, my family, that's something I always have to say I'm grateful for. My friends, also my health, and just the opportunity to go to college, get an education. That's something I'm grateful for. And also just grateful for just like Mother Nature, just the ability to go outside and feel the sun on my back, feel the sun on my skin. It just feels amazing, Yeah. How about yourself, Jen?
I think for me, what I'm grateful for is like receiving the education as well as, trying to receive that degree, and as well as my support system, my friends and family. And yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
grateful for.
Awesome. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you everybody for watching this video. We hope this can help you stay motivated, and you can apply all of the kind of tips and techniques we talked about here and apply it to your life. Just before we go, just want to show the references here, just in case you want more information on the topics we discussed today. There's different websites, and also the YouTube video that we watched as well, if you want to watch that again. And this is the other references that we have. And that's all for now. Thank you, everybody.
All right, thank you.